Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how you can change the region in Wild Rift. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Log into the Wild Rift client in your current region. Then check the settings or account management section for any option related to account transfer or region change. If the account transfer feature is available, follow the on-screen instructions. To initiate the process, you might need to provide some additional information or complete certain steps to verify the transfer. Keep in mind that there might be restrictions or eligibility criteria for account transfers, and it may not be available to all players. If you encounter difficulties or if the account transfer feature is not available, consider reaching out to the Wild Drift support team for assistance. Visit the official Wild Drift support website for the most accurate and up-to-date information. And that's how you can change region in Wild Rift. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.